Anti-Muslim Danish leader blocked from Quran burning rally, given 2-year ban. About 300 people were on the streets of Malmö, with violence escalating as the evening wore on, according to police and local media. The demonstration was connected to an incident earlier in the day in which protesters burned a copy of the Islamic holy book, police spokesman Rickard Lundqvist told Swedish tabloid Expressen. Rasmus Paludan, who leads the far-right Danish anti-immigration party Hardline, was due to travel to Malmö to speak at that event, which was being held on the same day as weekly prayers for the Muslim Sabbath. But authorities preempted Paludan's arrival by announcing he had been banned from entering Sweden for 2 years. He was later arrested near Malmö. Why did you burn my Quran? Is there too much malice in your heart? Have you read the Quran? What is in the Quran? If you read it, you will find this book a teacher of peace. There is nothing hateful in this Quran. But just because of ignorance, it is looked upon with hatred. If it is read, your heart will be at peace, even if you do not have any worldly things. This Quran wants to make you prosper in this world and in the hereafter. Muslims also want this: that the people of the world may believe in one God, and that they may attain success in this world and in the hereafter. You must one day appear before that God. Whether you are a Christian, a Jew, a Hindu or whatever,